Hello kids, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn next lesson which is gender. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter are the four types of gender nouns in English. Words used to describe males belong to the masculine gender. For example, uncle, king, hero, lion, etc. are masculine gender. Words used to describe females belong to the feminine gender. For example, aunt, queen, heroine, lioness. These all are female, so it is feminine gender. Words used to describe both males and females belong to the common gender. For example, doctor, cousin, manager, visitor. Here, doctor, we don't know the doctor is male or female. It can be both, so it is common gender. Same, we don't know cousin is male or female. It can be both, so it is common gender. Same as manager and visitor. We don't know the manager and visitors are male or female. It can be both, so these all are common gender. Words used to describe non-living things belong to the neuter gender. All the things which is not living things, so it is belong to non-living things, so it is neuter gender. Shoes, car, computer, book, these all are non-living thing, so these all are neuter gender. Now let me understand the text exercise. First one is change the noun in color from feminine gender to masculine gender. Here the colored names are feminine form. We have to convert it into masculine form. The first one is the girls went camping during summer. Here girls is colored portion and it is feminine gender. So we have to convert it into masculine gender. The answer is the boys went camping during summer. Boys is masculine gender and girls is feminine gender. Second one is my aunt is driving a new car. Here aunt is colored name, so it is feminine gender. We have to convert it into masculine gender. The answer is my uncle is driving a new car. Here uncle is masculine gender of aunt, which is feminine gender. Third one is the women were going to the market. Woman is colored portion and it is feminine gender. We have to convert it into masculine gender. The answer is the men were going to the market. Here man is masculine gender of woman. Now next exercise is underline the common gender words and circle the neuter gender words. Here we know that common gender means the name which is belong to both male or female, and the neuter gender is the name which is not a living thing. Okay, now the first one is my sister lost her pen at school. Here, pan and school both are neuter gender because pan and school is non-living thing. Both are non-living thing. The next one is the candidates appeared for the examination. Here, candidates is common thing because it can be both male or female. Examination is neuter gender because it is non-living thing. The next one is the child was sleeping in the crib. Here, child is common gender because it can be both. Child can be male or female. And the crib is neuter gender because it is non-living thing. Now, next one is the minister addressed the people. Here, minister can be both male or female. So, it is common gender. People, it can be also male or female. So, it is common gender. Next one is the girl at the peaches. Here, peaches are neuter gender because it is non-living thing. Next exercise is underline the neuter gender words. First one is cupboard, mother, teacher, sir. Here, cupboard is neuter gender because it is non-living thing. Mother, which is feminine gender because it is from female. Teacher is can be both male or female, so it is from common gender, and sir is masculine gender. Second one is hand, uncle, matron, bicycle. Here, bicycle is neuter gender because it is non-living thing. Hand, which is feminine gender. Uncle is masculine gender. And matron is feminine gender. Third one is clerk, glass, sister, lion. Here, glass is neuter gender because it is non-living thing. Clerk can be both male or female, so clerk is common gender. Sister, which is from female, so it is feminine gender. And lion is masculine gender. Now, the last exercise from your text is Meeta's birthday. She is celebrating it with her family. Who all are there in her family? Use gender nouns to form sentences and discuss them. We have to discuss celebration of Meeta's birthday for gender nouns. So, we start the picture description. Here you can see the image of Meeta's birthday celebration with her family. They are celebrating her birthday and taking dinner together. They have decorated the dining hall as well. Let me introduce with her family members with their gender nouns. We will start with Meeta, the girl with red birthday hat is Meeta. Meeta is feminine gender. The very next sitting woman is Meeta's grandmother, Meeta's dadi. which is woman and it is belong to feminine gender. Then Mita's brother, who is masculine gender. Then Mita's both sisters, feminine gender. Then very next man sitting is Mita's grandfather, who is masculine gender. Then that lady is Mita's aunt, who is feminine gender. Then very next is Mita's uncle, who is masculine gender. Next one is Mita's father, who is also masculine gender. And then last but not the least, Mita's mother, who is feminine gender. Now, I hope you understand the concept of gender nouns very well from this introduction of Mita's family members. So, from this concept, you have to complete all your text and fair exercise. Thank you.